Breaking language barriers, how Thai address forms reveal cultural secrets. Hey there! Sawadee krap, friends. Cody here, coming to you from the heart of Bangkok where I've just had the most fascinating encounter. So picture this, I'm at this vibrant street market trying to buy some mangoes when I accidentally address an elderly vendor as Khun, the standard polite term. She gives me this puzzled look, and a young Thai woman beside me gently whispers, "Call her Yai instead." The moment I switched to Yai, meaning grandmother, the vendor's face lit up with the warmest smile you can imagine. That's when it hit me. In Thai, it's not just about knowing the words, it's about knowing who you're talking to and how they fit into the social fabric. You know how in English we simply say you to everyone from our best friend to our boss's grandmother? Well, in Thai, that would be like wearing pajamas to a formal dinner. Today, I'm going to unlock the secret code that will instantly transform how Thai people respond to you. We're diving into the fascinating world of Thai relationship terms, the linguistic keys that open doors to genuine connections in Thailand. Imagine walking through Bangkok and being able to address everyone correctly, from the young coffee shop barista to the elderly taxi driver. Trust me, the difference in how people treat you is like night and day. So, are you ready to learn how a simple change in how you address someone can be the difference between being treated as a confused tourist or a respected visitor who gets it? Let's embark on this linguistic adventure together. I promise, by the end of our session, you'll have the tools to forge deeper connections with Thai people than you ever thought possible. Welcome to Thai Relationship Terms, your gateway to cultural connection. Thai Relationship Terms and Address Forms, a practical guide. Breaking the ice in Thai, how relationship terms transform your conversations. Hello there, everyone.
สวัสดีครับ
I'm Cody, and I'm absolutely thrilled to be your guide today on this fascinating journey into the heart of Thai communication. Have you ever noticed how in English, we're pretty straightforward with our you and I? Well, get ready to dive into a world where addressing someone correctly can make all the difference between making a friend or accidentally offending a stranger. You know, when I first arrived in Thailand, I made the classic foreigner mistake. I walked up to an elderly shopkeeper and addressed her like I would anyone else. The awkward silence that followed taught me my first lesson about Thai culture, relationships, and social hierarchy are woven into the very fabric of the language itself. Today, we're going to unlock one of the most important aspects of sounding like a local in Thailand, understanding relationship terms, address forms, and titles. Master these, and you'll see doors opening that you never knew existed. Relationship terms as pronouns, the secret code of Thai conversation. In Thai culture, people rarely use simple pronouns like you and I when there's an age difference. Instead, they use relationship terms that acknowledge the age gap, creating warmth while showing proper respect. These terms double as both pronouns and titles placed before first names. Let me break them down for you.
พี่
Pronounced like P but with a rising tone. This is used when speaking to someone older than you but from your generation. It's also how you refer to yourself when talking to someone younger. Think of it as saying older sibling instead of you.
พี่ 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 น้อง
Sounds like known with a falling tone. This is the counterpart to fee. You use it for someone younger than you but from your generation. Younger people also use it to refer to themselves when talking to their elders. It's like saying younger sibling instead of I or you.
น้อง 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 น้า
Not like in nap and all like when the doctor checks your throat. These are for people from your parents' generation who are younger than your parents. They actually mean younger aunt and younger uncle, whether maternal or paternal.
น้า 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 ป้า
Pronounced like pa. This is for women from your parents' generation who are older than your parents. It literally refers to the older sister of your mother or father.
ป้า 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 ลุง
Sounds like long with a falling tone. This is the male equivalent of pa for men from your parents' generation who are older than your parents. It refers to the older brother of your mother or father.
ลุง 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 ยาย ย่า
Yeah rhymes with my India is short like yeah. These terms are used for grandmother-aged women. They specifically refer to your maternal and paternal grandmothers.
ยาย 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 ย่า 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 ตา ปู่
Ta like the beginning of tiger and pu like pool without the L. These are for grandfather-aged men, specifically your maternal and paternal grandfathers.
ตา 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 ปู่ ปู่ ปู่
Let's see these in action. Imagine this scenario at a food stall. Scenario 1, a younger person, Sam, speaking to an older friend, Nut. Sam, have you had dinner yet, big brother/sister?
พี่นัดกินอาหารเย็นหรือยัง พี่นัดกินอาหารเย็นหรือยัง
Nut, not yet. How about you, little one?
ยังไม่ได้กินแล้วน้องส้มละ ยังไม่ได้กินแล้วน้องส้มละ
Sam, I already ate at the market.
น้องกินที่ตลาดมาแล้วค่ะ น้องกินที่ตลาดมาแล้วค่ะ
Notice how Sam refers to herself as Nong, younger sibling, and addresses Nut as Phi, older sibling, while Nut does the opposite? This creates an instant understanding of their relationship and shows proper respect. Other words used to address people, navigating social contexts. Beyond age relationships, Thai has specific terms for various social roles.
พ่อ แม่ ลูก
Fa like Pao, May like May, look with a high tone. These mean father, mother, and child/children and are used when family members talk to or refer to each other.
พ่อ 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 แม่ 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 ลูก 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 ครู อาจารย์
Crew like crew and ajam with stress on jan. Crew means teacher and ajam refers to professors or higher-level educators. Students always use these terms when addressing their instructors.
ครู 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 อาจารย์ 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 หมอ คุณหมอ
Ma rhymes with saw. These terms are used for doctors. Ma alone means doctor, while kun ma is a more respectful form.
หมอ 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 คุณหมอ 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 เจ
Sounds similar to J in English but with a rising tone. This is used for female shop or restaurant owners, especially those of Chinese descent.
เจ 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 เท่าแก่
Tao like cow with a th and gi like gay. This term is for business and factory owners. Originally used for Chinese business owners, it's now applied to Thai owners as well.
เท่าแก่ 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 แหม่ม
Sounds like ma'am with a falling tone. This is specifically used for Western women.
แหม่ม แหม่ม แหม่ม
Let's look at some other important relationship words.
เพื่อน
Sounds like puin with a falling tone. This means friend or friends but isn't used for I or you only for referring to he, she, or they.
เพื่อน 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 แฟน
Rhymes with fan. This means spouse or romantic partner, again used only in the third person.
แฟน แฟน แฟน
Scenario 2, two friends chatting about relationships. Min, where did your roommate go yesterday?
เพื่อนร่วมห้องของเธอไปไหนเมื่อวาน เพื่อนร่วมห้องของเธอไปไหนเมื่อวาน
Fa, she went to visit her family in Phuket.
เพื่อนไปเยี่ยมครอบครัวที่ภูเก็ต เพื่อนไปเยี่ยมครอบครัวที่ภูเก็ต
Min, which province is your boyfriend from?
แฟนของเธอเป็นคนจังหวัดอะไร แฟนของเธอเป็นคนจังหวัดอะไร
Tha, he's from Chiang Rai.
แฟนเป็นคนเชียงราย แฟนเป็นคนเชียงราย
Impolite pronouns and cursing, caution zone. Now, I should mention that Thai people are generally very polite, but there are some terms you should be aware of not to use them, but to recognize them if you hear them.
กู
Sounds like goo in English. This is a crude way to say I'm very informal and potentially offensive in public.
กู 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 มึง
Like mong with a falling tone. This is the rude version of you that's typically used with goo.
มึง 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 ไอ อี
AI like INE like the letter E. These are derogatory ways to say you for men and women respectively. However, close friends might use these playfully, and older people sometimes use them with younger family members without offense. Interestingly, AI and E are also used before the names of pets and can be used to make objects sound detestable.
ไอ 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 อี อี อี
Scenario 3, friends joking around, warning, contains impolite terms. Tom, this stupid phone keeps freezing on me.
ไอ้โทรศัพท์นี่มันชิงติด
Remember, these terms are considered very casual or even rude in most contexts, so it's best to avoid using them unless you're absolutely certain of your relationship with the person. Titles, formal address in Thai society. In Thai, titles come before first names, not surnames as in English. Here are the essential ones.
คุณ
Sounds like Khun with a rising tone. This is equivalent to Mr. or Ms., but it comes before first names. It's commonly used in offices and on the phone.
คุณ 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 นาย
Like the English word nai. This is a very formal Mr. or Master and might be used by staff addressing male clients or bosses.
นาย 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 นาง
Rhymes with sung. This formal title is placed before the first names of married women, equivalent to Mrs.
นาง 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 นางสาว
Non rhymes with sung and saw like cow with an S. This formal title is for unmarried women, equivalent to Miss.
นางสาว 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 คุณหญิง
Kud is above ending liking and playing. This is the Thai equivalent of lady, used by women who have been granted this title.
คุณหญิง 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 เสีย
Sounds similar to Sia with a falling tone. This is used for tycoons and influential business figures, from Chinese.
เสีย เสีย เสีย
Scenario 4, at an office. Secretary, Mr. Somchai, there's a call for you.
คุณสมชายมีโทรศัพท์หาคุณค่ะ คุณสมชายมีโทรศัพท์หาคุณค่ะ
Somchai, thank you, Miss Prani.
ขอบคุณครับคุณปราณี ขอบคุณครับคุณปราณี
Bringing it all together, your key to authentic Thai communication. Friends, what we've explored today isn't just about words, it's about understanding the heart of Thai culture. When you use these relationship terms correctly, you're not just speaking Thai, you're showing respect for the social fabric that has held Thai society together for centuries. Imagine walking through a market in Bangkok, confidently addressing the grandmother-aged vendor as Yai or speaking to your slightly older Thai colleague using Phi. Watch their faces light up as they realize you understand not just their language, but their cultural values. Learning these terms might seem challenging at first, but I promise you, make the effort to memorize and practice them, and you'll see an immediate difference in how Thai people respond to you. Doors will open, smiles will widen, and connections will deepen. Remember, in Thailand, language isn't just about communication, it's about connection. Every time you use "fi" instead of "you," you're not just following a grammatical rule, you're acknowledging someone's place in the social order and showing them the respect they deserve. So go out there, practice these terms, make mistakes, learn from them, and watch as your Thai conversations transform from awkward exchanges to meaningful connections. The beauty of Thai culture lies in these subtle acknowledgments of relationship and respect. Master them, and you won't just speak Thai, you'll connect with Thai people on a level most foreigners never experience. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Cody, and I can't wait to guide you through more fascinating aspects of Thai language and culture in our next session. Until next time.
โชคดีครับ
Good luck, everyone. Hey everyone. Cody here, your guide to all things Thai. Today we explored something truly fascinating: how Thai people address each other based on relationships and social standing. Unlike English, where we simply use "you" for everyone, Thai culture has a beautiful system that instantly communicates respect, familiarity, and social position. Did you know that in Thailand, using the right address term can open doors that remain firmly closed to most foreigners? Imagine walking through a market and seeing the surprise and delight on locals' faces when you address them correctly. It's like magic. We covered the terms for addressing people older or younger than you, what to call people from your parents' generation, how to speak to grandparent-aged folks, and even professional titles. Plus, we learned about those impolite terms you should recognize but never use. This knowledge isn't just about language, it's your key to connecting with Thai people on a deeper level. When you use these address forms correctly, you're showing that you respect and understand their culture. I encourage you to listen to this lesson several times. Each replay will help these concepts sink in more deeply. Practice makes perfect, and believe me, your efforts will be rewarded with genuine connections and warm interactions throughout Thailand. If you've enjoyed this lesson and want to truly master Thai like a local, please support our channel by hitting that subscribe button, turning on notifications, and giving us a thumbs up. Your support is what keeps these lessons coming. Want to visit Thailand confidently, make local friends, and navigate social situations with ease? This channel is your passport to authentic Thai communication. Subscribe now and join our community of Thai language enthusiasts. Until next time, remember, in Thailand, how you address someone is as important as what you say.
Like a local. Be Thai like a local, like a local. Be Thai.